In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more views on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. If you want more people to see your listings, the goal is to make your item easier to find, easier to trust, and more appealing to click on. Let's start with one of the biggest factors, your photos. Use high quality photos that are clear, bright, and taken in good lighting. Try to show the item from multiple angles so buyers can quickly understand what they're getting. A clean, uncluttered background also helps your listing look more professional. And if there are important details or small flaws, include close-up shots of those too. Being honest in your photos can actually build trust and reduce wasted messages. Next, write a keyword-rich title. Use words that real buyers are likely to search for. Include details like the brand, model, size, or color whenever that makes sense. Keep the title clear and concise so it's easy to scan in search results. After that, create a detailed description. This is where you give buyers the information they need to feel confident. Include the item's condition, dimensions or size, brand and model, and any useful features or specifications. If you want, you can also mention the reason for selling. Be sure to clarify whether pickup, delivery, or shipping is available. Pricing also matters a lot. Compare similar listings on Marketplace so you can set a fair and competitive price. If you're open to negotiating, consider enabling offers to attract more interest. You'll also want to choose the correct category so your item appears in the most relevant searches. Then add an accurate location using the correct city or area to help nearby buyers find your listing more easily. To expand your reach, share your listing to relevant local buy and sell groups if that option is available. This can help you get in front of more potential buyers beyond regular marketplace traffic. If a listing has been sitting for a while, renew it when Facebook gives you that option. This can help push it back into recent listings. Also, respond to messages quickly. Fast replies can improve buyer engagement and increase the chances of making a sale. Finally, keep your seller profile active and professional. Maintain a good seller rating, complete transactions smoothly, mark items as sold after each completed sale, and regularly add new listings. It also helps to post during peak hours, especially evenings, weekends, and busy shopping periods. And if a listing still isn't getting enough views, update it regularly by improving the photos, rewriting the title with better keywords, adding more details, or adjusting the price. That's how you give your listing the best chance to get noticed.